Hello, welcome back to Overseas Motors BMW. My name is Tom Moss, Service Manager here at Overseas Motors BMW Mini. And today we're talking about value service packages for your 2022 vehicle. With BMW Value Service Packages, you can keep your BMW running smoothly on the road, ahead with transparent prices and care that is perfectly tailored to your needs. The BMW Value Service Package includes tailored to your BMW model and unique needs. Premium service includes oil change, microfilter, brake services, and much more. Attractive and transparent all-inclusive package pricing. Specialized BMW service technicians only use original BMW parts. With our standard 2-year parts and labor warranty, you will leave your BMW service appointment with ultimate confidence knowing that the work you receive is covered for the road ahead. We can help you by upholding our side with the utmost standard of social distancing and cleanliness at our dealership by offering online appointment scheduling, use remote key read to reduce physical key handling, enhance digital communications, including texting and video, use of protective interior products and cleaning high contact areas, limited contact vehicle surface options, remote payment options. Book your next BMW service appointment today by using Overseas Motors BMW online appointment, schedule, or contact us at 519-254-4303, your preferred BMW dealership. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching this video and have a fantastic day.